friends, welcome to today's new tech English. Today we are going to unbox the Oppo F27 Pro Plus mobile phone. Let's see what's inside the box. This is a mobile phone box. Let's see what's inside the box. First they have given mobile phone and mobile phone's transparent case and SIM ejector pin and stickers and warranty cards and Type A to Type C charging cable and 80 watts fast charging adapter. Oppo F27 Pro. This mobile phone, India's first ip69 rating mobile phone launched by Oppo. And you look at the display of this mobile phone, 6.7 inches 3D curved AMOLED display is there, and then 128 refreshing rate is there, and 950 nits peak brightness is there. And this mobile phone selfie camera is 8 megapixel selfie camera, and mobile phone's bottom side in display fingerprint sensor is there. And you look at the back side of the mobile phone, triple layer back panel. Other side looks like tiles, another side vegan leather back panel. And this mobile phone's primary camera is 64 MP primary camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and big flash also there. And this mobile phone sound quality, this mobile phone have 5000 mAh battery with 67 watts fast charging support. This mobile phone looks slim and weightless. This mobile phone's thickness is 0.79 mm thickness, and this mobile phone's weight 178 gram weight. And this mobile phone's right side power button and volume button is there, and mobile phone's top side mic is there, and mobile phone's bottom side speaker grill, Type C charging port, mic and SIM tray there. SIM tray supports dual SIM only. This mobile phone's processor is MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G processor, and this mobile phone's operating system is ColorOS 14 based on Android 14. And this mobile phone available in two color variants, one midnight navy, second one dusk pink. Mobile phone available in two storage variants, one 8GB 128GB, another one 8GB 256GB.